In this place, you write it what you know. Why you say, why you say. Is y is equal to like this. The z is equal to, z is equal to, you say this place, z is equal to, you say, z is equal to, you say. And try to write this now. All the property values you print it. These are all called what? X, Y, Z. I will print the local variables. These are X and then Y and then Z you say. And Z you say. This is also I will take local variable only TP because I am not using any object related here. Say something like what you know TP. Happily try to run the code. So enter the parent property 10, 2, 3. You write it 10, 2, 3, 15 is here. Understood? Let's see that how many ways we are going to do it. Same variable name, we are going to do the same thing like this. You may ask a question, same method name also. That is my next step. I am going to talk about it. Clear up? Very important requirement. Very, very important requirement. Actually, in inheritance, I can do just like something theories, I can say I can finish it off. But this is the one which is the most important. Same variable is there. How to go for resolve that problem by using this kind of simple syntax only. I hope that it is more clear. Right? Right on. Open the notes. Go for some example. Online students, did you understand, students, this example? Did you understand this example? Everybody try to respond it. Right. Right on. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Which will implement the following. Which will implement the following. Write down. Next line. Let us assume I'm giving one description, students. Try to follow carefully. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will which will accept which will accept university name and location. 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 Full stop. Accept and display. Accept and display. Accept and display. Accept and display. University details. University details. Accept and display. University details. Accept and display. University details. Right. So how do you implement that? With oops, how do you implement? Just I'm asking, how do you implement? An LR mirror. How do you do that? You will take a class university. In that, I will take one method for reading and I'll take one more method for displaying. Right now, next line or continuation. Let us assume, let us assume, let us assume there exist. Let us assume there exists a college. Let us assume there exists a college. Let us assume there exists a college which contains college name and its which contains college name and location. College name and location. College name and location. College name and location. Accept and display. Accept and display. Accept and display. College details along with the university details. Accept and display. College and university details. Accept and display. University college and university details. Accept and display college and university details. College and university details. So which inheritance there? మీరు ఓన్లీ రాసుకుంటున్నారా, అర్థమవుతుందా అది? ఆర్ యూ రైటింగ్ ఓన్లీ ఆర్ యువర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్? ఆల్రెడీ యూనివర్సిటీ ఇస్ దేర్. మీరు ఇది కూడా చెప్పలేకపోతే ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు? ఆఫ్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ టోటల్ బ్యాచ్ అంతా ఉంది ఇక్కడ. సో యూనివర్సిటీ is one class and college is another class which is requiring its details plus university details. So it is called which inheritance? Single inheritance. అది కూడా రాదా? చదవండి సరే, చదవండి. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ రీడ్ దట్ ఫస్ట్. చదువులేదు ఏం లేదు, సింప్లీ కమింగ్ రీడ్ దట్. బిగినింగ్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ యూ రీడ్. Yunus, not multi-level. Take care by yourself. It's a single. University is there. Under that, college is there. What is that? Single inheritance. చదువుకోండి. Why you are wasting your time? Not able to answer a single thing also. Next. Right on. Continue. Because if you don't answer, I'm not getting interest to tell about much problems. Let us assume, college contains what? Look at college contains what? Student. Let us assume there exists a student. Let us assume there exists a student. Let us assume there exists a student which contains student number, which contains student number, comma name, and course pursuing, course pursuing, course pursuing, course pursuing. Next step. Continue. Accept and display. Accept and display. Accept and display students' details. Accept and display students' details along with college and university details. College and university details. Which inheritance? Multi-level. So what it is giving? College. University is giving the details to what? College. College is giving to whom? Student. It is called what? What is university is called? A topmost base class, and it is an intermediate base class. And intermediate base class to what is this is called a derived class. This is comes under multi-level. This is called multi-level. Only this part is called a single. And if I extend that class, it is called multi-level. So I want to do it. Class work, homework. హోంవర్క్ మీరు చేసేది మళ్ళీ నేను వినాలి. అది మీరు ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ టైపే చెప్పిన వాళ్ళు హోంవర్క్ ఎలా చేస్తారా? సో కమింగ్ టు ద పాయింట్ బ్యాక్. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ అప్, లుక్ ఎట్ దట్. సో ఐ వాంట్ టు టేక్ అప్ దట్ టు మాడ్యూల్స్ ఆల్సో. ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ, ట్రై టు ఫాలో. సో ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ important. Now coming to class university. There I'll take one function de of get the university details. There I'm writing it self dot uname is equal to input of enter university name. Here I'm writing self dot loc is equal to uloc is equal to input of enter university location. So I'm going to take up that. So these two things I got it. De of display University details. College details. Print off what? మిమ్మల్ని అడగడం ఫస్ట్ నాది తప్పు అసలు. మిమ్మల్ని ఏం కదిపించకూడదు అసలు. జస్ట్ ఉరికట్లా మిమ్మల్ని ఏమన్నా అన్నాను అనుకో, నాకు ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. ఇట్ బౌన్స్ టు మీ ఓన్లీ. సో బట్ నా హార్ట్ ఒప్పుకోదు అట్లా. సార్, ఇట్ విల్ సే టు మీ, మిస్టర్ కేవీఆర్ ఆస్ టు యువర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, దో దే ఆన్సర్ రాంగ్, you continue with the same performance. So, but if, without asking if I continue, I'm only not feeling good because my teaching style of these many years is interacting with the students. I don't want to teach like other classes. What they are doing, watching YouTube or Xtube or YTube or ZTube, or they never bother. They think something. Online chat window also not open. Chat window is always open to you. What they are saying, that is visible to you. In any of the class, you see chat window is not visible. They will keep like that. They will keep like this. Whatever the doubts they are having, they don't bother about it. So that is their talent. But ours is different. So మీకు తెలుసది, you know that. So this is /t university details. University details. University details. Anyhow, lot of questions I will ask today. Try to answer it. /t university name. University name. Dot format of self dot what? U name. Self dot U name. U name. So here self dot LOC, self dot university location. So ULOC, 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 like this. While I'm taking breakfast, sorry is also there in other class, is also there. And what those people are watching Big Boss. Still, what sorry there, still sound is there, he is talking, continuing only. Sound is coming. That is also one way of teaching, one way of not bothering about them. But here తీయాలంటే భయపడాలి అట్లా. To fear, to see the phone, they need to fear. How that situation will come depends on sir only. So try to have certain things, need to maintain something. So here class university over. Next I'm going to take one more class. What is the next class? College. College. Here college. College will contain what? College details, accepting, college details, displaying. So why you will not remove your mobile here? Internal marks same ఉండవు ఇక్కడ. Do you have internal marks? In college means you will fear and you will not remove. That is mobile. Here you will not remove that. Take out your mobile also. Why? Here no internal marks. You are seeing from the day one onwards up to here. No, not even coming 1 mm down. Always taking up. Quality of subject, that is not taking out the phone from the bag. Correct, Anna? కాదా? ఇది ఇది యూనివర్సల్ ట్రూత్, ఇది యూనివర్సల్ ఫ్యాక్ట్. ఓకే, సో కమింగ్ టు ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్, DEF. Now I'm going to take up get college details. College details. Now coming to this place, here I'm going to take it. So I'm going to take it. నిన్న ఒకటి పెద్ద ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్, in 6 o'clock one student came. What is OS? I asked. He is called what, currently going on BTech third year. AIML. His candidate is AIML BTech in Telangana state and AP. AIML is there, and in any of the NITs, not AIML is not there. And Telangana state and AP, maybe world number one, I don't know. They only started AIML. These people only invented artificial intelligence. They only started AIML. First of all, they don't know full form, and they started AIML, and students are unnecessarily getting problems. What is OS? I asked. You know what he said, students? Operational environment, he said. Operational environment, not operating system. Operational environment. You don't know full form also. So like that people are. And first it is our mistake to ask the questions. So very danger candidates. So the days are passing on, the days are going on. To see the student, we are getting fear first of all. What he will define it. Ani. So I don't know. Situation is very danger, na? Danger, not everything cool. Danger, na? మా గర్ల్స్ డేంజరా కాదా డేంజరే కదా మరి ఎట్లా సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం దీన్ని హౌ ఐ కెన్ సాల్వ్ ఇట్ హౌ వీ కెన్ సాల్వ్ ఇట్ అవర్ కంట్రిబ్యూషన్ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ కంట్రిబ్యూషన్ వాట్ యూ విల్ సే టు అదర్స్ వాట్ యూ విల్ సే అందుకని వాట్ యూ డూ ఇస్ హౌ డు సాల్వ్ యువర్ టు టెల్ సార్ మై సెల్ఫ్ ఐ విల్ రీడ్ సార్ and I will make my family members to get correct answer, sir. And I'll make my relatives to get the correct answer, sir. From my side, I will do this contribution, sir. Like that, you need to say. So, like that. So, even we used to get a lot of things like this situation in society when you are going to move here and there, it is going to be like this. Get the college details. So, get the college details. Here also, I'm going to take it. College details, I want to get it. So, there I'm going to write it. C name. And then next is called what? CLOC. CLOC. So come to the point of it. So come to the point of it. Pawan, some Pawan is saying something. So Eunice, imagine if that student becomes lecturer in the future. Ah, that is what Eunice I'm talking about. That only. I'm talking about that only. So some student is saying something. Pawan is saying something. What is that? I just want to. Some of the times your questions also ఏదేది? So I'm not getting this. Some of the times your questions also huh? ఏదో స్టూడెంట్ ఇది I'm getting it. Okay, go this. Self dot C name is equal to self dot CLOC is equal to enter this location. It is like this. Now I'm going to take up display. DEF display university display what details? College details. College details. Now I want to print. The same thing I will carry here. The same thing I will carry here. I'll try to post it over here. Which details? College details. I will take up the name, college name. College name I will take it. College name I will take it. Here it is called C name. So here I will write it. CLOC. CLOC I will take it. Here it is called college location. College location. Done. So here college details. C name. College location. Here I will write it what? Get college name. Get what details? College location. Got it. And this is a separate. When I'm going to take college requiring the university details, I don't write this entire code. I'll simply get that code in this place. How I will go for it? University, I will write it. University, I will write it. University. So I'm going to write like this. So the total, these two methods are as it is coming to where? College also. So college contains overall how many methods? Huh? Four. Two ఎట్లా ఉంటాయి మధుబాబులు? How many? Four. Two are from base class and two are from direct class. Totally how many methods? Four. How many will have virtual appearance? Two. How many of them physical appearance? Two. Two are what? College related things are physical, and the above two are called virtual. Right. Now I'm going to take up one more kind of thing. Class, what is that? Student, student. In this place, DEF, get the STUD details. STUD details. There I am writing self dot SNO is equal to int of input of enter student number. Enter student number. There I am writing self dot in my next yeah, name, student name, input of enter student number, enter student name, enter student name, self dot CRS is equal to input of enter course, student course, student course. Here I am going to write it. Student course. I'll get it. Okay. DEF display STUD details. Display student details. I want to print like this. So I will print like this 50. Now I want to print the student details like this. So I'll print student details, writing like this. Student details, writing. Student details. Where I will print of what here? Backslash T, student number, writing like this. Dot format of self dot SNO. Self dot SNO. So I'm going to write it. Here I will write it. So student name, student name, name. I'm going to write it. That is called what? So student course. Student course is called what? CRS. This is our data, students. Students, this is our mechanism. So student need what? College details I want plus university details I want. I will go to college only. Why I will take college? Because college already got it what? University. So college plus university, both of them are coming to where? Student. Which inheritance? Multi-level. Okay now? Multi-level or multiple? Multi-level. Tell me now. Which object I have to create? Student. Come on, create an object of student. S is equal to student of. Student of. What is this line is called? Object creation. Can I ask one question now? Object concept completed. Class concept completed. Right. Now I'm asking, what happens when an object is created? Correctly, you tell me. Correct answer. Memory space created. Okay. తర్వాత అది మనకు ఎప్పుడో తెలుసు, చిన్నప్పుడు తెలుసు. మెమరీ స్పేస్ క్రియేటెడ్. నెక్స్ట్ తెలియదు మా చెప్పండి అమ్మా. గర్ల్స్ బాగా చదువుతారని నాకు ఒపీనియన్ బాగా. మీరు వాళ్ళతో పాటు ఈక్వల్ అయిపోయినారు. ఓకే. సి స్టూడెంట్స్, ఐల్ గో టు కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 1.py object creation creates a memory space, makes the PVM to call the constructor automatically or implicitly when an object is created. చెప్పానా లేదా? చెప్పాను. మీకు గుర్తుందా? లేదు. మనం అంత గజనీలమే ఇక్కడ. సో S is equal to student of object creation makes the memory space to create, and upon that constructor is calling. Which constructor calling? Default constructor or parameters constructor. If no constructor is there, object left with what? Empty. Object left with empty. Constructor mechanism also will come. So if I write it yes dot what? Underscore dict, it is an empty. It is an empty. Now I want to call my own things now. So how do I call? Yes dot get which details? Student details. First I want to get the student details. Next I will call which details? Get college details. College details. Next I will get last what? Get the university details. With that, what is happening? S is containing all the data members. Now I will display also Yes dot which details I will display? University details. On the top of our memo, university details. University details. Next after that, I will display what? College details. College details. Last, I will display what? Student details. Display student details. Like this. Try to run this code. Enter student number. Enter student number. Now I'm going to say student number 100. Name is called something like Rajesh. So Rajesh is there in the class or not? I don't know. Rajesh is there in the class or not? I don't know. Rajesh is there. Something like Ranjan. Ranjan is also there. Something like Raghu. Raghu is not there. Okay. So I will take it as what Raghu. And the course is called what? BTech. AIML. AI. మళ్ళీ ML కూడా దాంట్లో. So what is ML definition also don't know. And they will do AIML. And really students, by keeping such a powerful degrees, students are becoming unemployed. When you go to AI interview, they will ask you the question directly once unsupervised learning. What you will do? Write a program to demonstrate unsupervised learning. What they will do? Degree is there, but you don't know that algorithms. What you will do? This is called unemployment. So here I'm going to write it ABC college. Next is called PQR location. Next is called some XYZ university, something like XYZ location. So it is going to be called as what? Student name, university details, college details, and student details is coming like this. So I'll write once again, go for this, saying the student number 100. Next is called what student name is called what So I'm writing like this. I'm writing like this. I'm writing. Student course is called what BE, CSC. I'll write it. College name is JNTUH. And the next is called something like, something like this I'm writing. And the next is called what JNTU. And I'm writing HYD here. So writing like this. So this is comes under university details. And this is comes under college details. This is comes under student details. Like that you can take it. You can save this data in where also? Database also you can save. How do you can save this data into the database? You can also write simplest code here. Where I can write it? I can write simplest code in the same place only. In the student time only you can say DEF what data? Save student data. Save student data of self. See students, what to do there? Write which code? Huh? Which code? Database code. Database code. Do you know database code? PDBC code అని చెప్పాలి. Python database communication. How many steps? 6 steps I said. 6 steps I said. So I will go for what? MySQL కావాలన్నా Oracle కావాలా? MySQL you want. మీకు అన్ని కావాలి కానీ ఏది గుర్తుండదు మళ్ళా. MySQL dot MySQL dot connector MySQL dot connector. Let me configure it once. Let me configure it once. Go to the place. Once I'll go to this place. First you install it. Settings. You know how to install, right? So go to this now. Python interpreter plus symbol. Go to this place. It's nothing but pip only. MySQL. So here connector. You try to install package. Installing now. Occurring install MySQL dot connector. Hyphen connector. What is the problem there? MySQL hyphen connector. Same. No? MySQL dot connector. What is the problem with? 1 minute. So say pass the problem with. Already we worked on it, right? Already it is there. Already it is there. So coming to this place, I'll try to take up, try to run it, go to this place, try, try. So here I will write accept, what is this? Mm, MySQL dot connector dot what is that? Database error as db print of what? Problem in problem in MySQL problem in MySQL. So MySQL. So I will write it something like the problem what is happening over there db. So try to take up this. Now I will write the code. Connection is equal to mm, MySQL dot connector dot connect host is equal to host is equal to localhost localhost. I say next user is equal to what? Root, comma, passwd is equal to root. I will take it, comma, database is equal to what? Student. Database is equal to batch 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Now. So go to that MySQL once. If anything is there here, MySQL. Let us try to go to the MySQL part. Run as administrator. Here I am writing. So root here. So here I will show databases. Show databases. Here batch 9 a.m. Show use what? Batch 9 a.m. And under that show tables. Show tables. This is a table. Okay. Now I don't think that that student is containing that structure. Okay. You take it your own thing. How many values are there for me? How many values are there here as a result, ma'am? I think three student details, two college details, two. Totally how many? Seven values are available. So go to the place, create a table or not? Mhm. Create table, STUDRES, create table name, SNO, what is the type? Int type. Next is what? Name, what is the type? Varchar, varchar of 10. Next, CRS, CRS is what? Varchar, varchar of 10. Next entity, what is the next? Come on. College name, COL name, what is this now? Varchar of 10. Next also, college COL LOC, varchar again of 10. Next is called what? U name, university name, varchar, varchar of 10. Next is called what? ULOC, university location, UNIV location, UNIV location, university location of what? Varchar 2, varchar of 10. So this is the table. Query is okay. DESC, STUDRES, STUDRES. So this is an order. Okay. Select star from STUDRES. STUDRES, no data present, it is an empty. Now I will write the logic. Tell me now quickly. So connection I got it. Connection I got it. Next what should I do? So test చేద్దాం ఎందుకని మంచిదే. Connections. So connection success. Connection success. Okay. So I will call it as what? S dot what? S dot what? Save student data. ఇవన్నీ నేను కామెంట్ ఇచ్చేస్తాను. I'll keep it comment here. So I'll keep it just a comment. Try to run it. Yeah, connection success. Now you try to run this data. Try to run this data. That means it is okay. Now it's tested. It's perfectly working. So go to cursor object. How do you do that? Cursor is equal to c1 dot cursor of. Now I need to go for inserting. Come on, how do you insert the query? Query ikkada. Query prepare chestam. Query. What is this now? Insert query is equal to insert into insert into what? STUDRES. STUDRES. Student result. Adena? Same name na? STUDRES. Okay. STUDRES. Values. What to do values here? STUD values. I should take it. Hmm. Percentage D, comma, single quote percentage S, single quote. Now I'll write it, comma, I will write it, comma. Next I will dot
This meeting is being
execute
recorded.
of IQ percent of self dot SNO, self dot name, self dot what? Something like a C name. No? Okay, CRS, self dot what? C name, comma, self dot CLOC, self dot what? U name, U name, okay. Self dot what? ULOC, ULOC. Seven values are okay, na? Seven values matching with the seven these kind of things. After that, I will execute that. C1 dot what I'm doing, commit off. Now I'll say record inserted. Student record inserted. Student record inserted. Inserted. What to do? Dot format of. Tell me. Good. CUR dot row count. CUR dot row count. Done. Row count is an attribute in cursor object that is printed here. This is the mechanism of saving the data. Simply, I will go for doing this kind of mechanism. Try to run the students. So say here, I say 100 here and say some name. So Rajesh, I say student course B CSC. So I'm going to write it OUCET. Next is called Tarnaka. So I'll write it university name OU. Next college location HYD, university location. So here what is happening? Data showing to you. University details are showing to you. One record inserted. Go to the place here. See that now it is inserted here. It is inserted here. So like that, one can go for want to insert again. You can run it once again here. Once again here. I'm writing the number called 200. So say something like Ramu. Here it is called BCA. Something like JNTUC. Something this something like so like this and the university JNTU here and say HYD here. So it is going to be record is inserted, all the data printed. Go for that. It is going to be inserted like this. Like this, one can go for inserting this entire data. Like this, you can take care of. Understand? The same type of thing you can do with what you know. You can also do the same mechanism by using modules also. Of course, while true, Sandeep, they're all childhood days mechanism. You will do it, but you can carry on. You will go on carrying that. While true, exceptions, files, that is the left hand, left finger. If you know that subject, exceptions, everything already we know. So Every day you must be perfect in the subject. This kind of thing, how to do with modules. See students, the same thing I'll try to do with modules. Try to follow me carefully with the modules I'm trying to tell. మీకేమన్నా వస్తాయి మాడ్యూల్స్ మాడ్యూల్స్ కంప్లీటెడా నాట్ కంప్లీటెడా కంప్లీటెడా రిమెంబరింగ్ ఏం అడగనులే క్వశ్చన్ అడగనులే డోంట్ ఆస్క్ క్వశ్చన్ యూనివర్సిటీ డాట్ వాట్ పీ1 university dot py. So here university dot py is called what here? File name. And what? Module name. What is the eligibility to say it is a module name? What is the eligibility to say it is a module name? Any program contains global variables, functions, and class names, that is called a module name, can be treated. Any program contains only statements, that is called not module, it is a program only. I think it is understandable. This is called university is a class and then it is available. Next one I'm going to take it one more thing. What is the next one I'm taking new? I'm going to take college. College. College.py I'm going to take it. College.py I'm going to take it. Done. Where I'm going to take it? College. Here I'm going to take up students. College. Here I'm going to take up. There I'm going to write it. It is called what here, file name. File name and the next what? Module name. File name and module name I am going to take it. College of what year? University. College of university I am going to take it. So this is university is going to be called error here. If you try to run it, it is an error. What is that name? University is not defined. It was defined in somewhere else, but I am calling in some place. What to do? From university import what here? University. Then that will be gone. That is importing the class name from this model. It works perfect. Okay. Next I'll go to where? Come on. Student. Student dot what? Py. Student dot py. Here I'm going to write it. Dot py. Same. There also I'm going to take it from this place. Student I will take it. Student I will take it. Completely I'm taking student data. Student part I'm taking. This is a one I'm taking. College is an error now. So what you will do? Import college. Import college. Here I am writing what? What is this now? College dot college. College dot college. Ain't college dot college? Left side of dot is called module. Right side is called class name. Oh, Madhubabu, are you okay? College is called what? Module name. College is called what? Class name. Import college. College dot college. Import college dot college and what is your answer? College is a module. Inside the module, what is the another college? Class. Understand? No, like that. So you can say, ఇలా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Import college, from college, import college as no college, no college, no college. Here I can write it what? No college, no college. In morning చూసాను while I'm coming on the way. No college, no knowledge. ఒక బైక్ వెనకాల రాసింది అట్లా. In back bike side, one student has written, no college, no knowledge. నాకు గుర్తొచ్చింది, మా వాళ్ళందరికి కాలేజ్ ఉంది కానీ నాలెడ్జ్ లేదని. నో కాలేజ్, నో నాలెడ్జ్, ఓకే, సాటిస్ఫైడ్. బట్ హియర్ కాలేజ్ ఈస్ దేర్, బట్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్. I got really, well, I'm doing, I also got, I read 2 to 3 times. I looked at the face also that candidate. Yes, it's suitable. No college, no knowledge. Person also suitable only. But everything, three things matching. But here, knowledge is matching. Appearance also matching. But knowledge not matching. ఓకే. సో కమ్ టు ద పాయింట్ బాయ్. సో ఇది రాయట్లేదు నేను, మళ్ళీ మీరు ఫీల్ అవుతారని రాయట్లేదు. బట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు రైట్ లైక్ దిస్. సో నో కన్ఫ్యూజన్స్. Done. You can also write as what? C. You can write the C. You can write as what? C dot college. Like this also you can write. Once you have good hairstyle, you can comb any direction. Once you know hairstyle, a regular dialogue. It's my regular dialogue. So come to that. I want to write like this. So import college. Here I will write what? College dot college. Right. Done. Like this it is done. Import. What again? Import MySQL dot connector. Connector. Also done. Satisfied. Is called what here? File name and module name. Module name. Module name. So this is the situation. Coming done. All three things are over. I'll write a main program. Main program Rastana. Main program I am writing. What is that? University. University. College. College. Next is called what? Student. Dot what? Py. Dot py combined together. Tell me, from student, from student, I'll say, or import student. Only student I'm importing. S is equal to student dot student. Student dot student. Any doubt? What is student? Left dot not dot left dot module name. What is the student of? Hmm? Last the constructor. The constructor. If I write like that, what is the student class? What is this class? Module. What is if I write like that? Off without parameters. Calling default constructor. Madhubabulo, when you go to this place, here, go to this place, here I am writing A, B, C, D. Constructor example. This is calling what? Object creation calls automatically which constructor? Default constructor. ఇక్కడ ఇది చూపిద్దాం. Default constructor. Calling, creating an object. Here I am going to say object creation makes the PVM to call what? Default constructor. This one. Something like that. Here also, whenever you say like that, it is going to be a module name. Inside of that class name, open the bracket, close the bracket is called object creation upon which default constructor is calling. Right. Anyhow, yes or not what I want to call? Get student details. Once you say get student details, it will go to student. It will go to get student. After calling get student, I will call college details. I will call. How do you call? College dot college object dot. No need to write. Self dot get what details? College details. After college details, here only I will write what? Get what details? University details. Done. After finishing that, it will come to this place. From here, I will call yes dot what details? Display which student details. Go to student. Before student details, I will call what? Self dot get display which details? University details. After that, self dot display college details. After university student details, I'm printing student details. So I'm making very much simplified here. Very much simplified. Then after printing this entire data, I will call it as what? Self dot what? Save. Which data? Student data. To call this data of my database to save it. Beautiful. So in my Python program, there is only one line is there. Two lines to complete session. Simple code. Understand? So only I'm giving a bike, just press the button. Press the button behind what is there? Engine start. fuel on, something start, lights on. All those methods will be called. That is subject. Start. Here, earlier what we used to do when we need to move the kick rod, press it, lights on, all these things you used to do. Change the gear and all. Now when you press the button, what will happen? Lights on, gear ready, everything, just move the front. But everything is automatic. Like that you need to. I'm going to write it some 300. Now I'm writing some name I'm writing. Sandeep I'm writing. Sandeep I'm writing. Course is called what you know? B.Tech, B.Tech, Triple E. Triple E I'm writing. Next college name is called what? So college name something like I'm writing MCET. Some name I'm writing HYD or Amirpet I'm writing AMPT. So same saying that here you know something like MU or OU related college or something I'm writing. College location is called HYD here. It is going to be saved. So what is happening? So something like course maybe exceeding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is 11. But course value I gave it as what? 10. So I need to give something less. Something less. Or I have to go for altering that kind of thing. Because it is giving what? Too long. Data is too long. So that's why this exception is coming. So try to run it. Either you alter there or you enter something less. So you say 300, Sandeep here, Sandeep here. So say is here it is called what? So ENGG engineering, something like. So I'll take it. College name is called MCET. Say something like AMPT. So I'm going to write it university name OU and HYD I'm going to write it. It is one student record is inserted. This is a data they took it. Like this everything. Go to the database level. It is going to be like this. Are you following me? Like this. That's why take the columns little bigger one. Or you go for dynamic memory allocation in the database. If you learn database, depends on the data which I am entering, that will be measured and passed dynamically that length. So that much amount of data will be added. That is a variable arguments concept. Variable varchar means what? Variable length values. Whether that mechanism set by your database faculty or not, I don't know. That you have to take care. Okay. This is how we can insert the data. This is called through modules concept I made you to understand in the class. So normally I said one by one you have written it in the same place. And I wrote university separate, college separate, student separate. I am going to plug in the last moment. Referring like this. So any problem statement you take it, and you can easily solve that kind of things. So I hope that it is more clear. So 1048. Actually, I want to introduce polymorphism for you. Tomorrow class, I'll introduce polymorphism to this inheritance. Inheritance not completed. Still, to the inheritance, I will add extra what? Polymorphism I will add. Don't miss the class. చదువుకోండి ఆఫ్టర్ గోయింగ్ టు హోమ్ రీడ్ ఏమో చదువుకోండి మా కొద్దిగా ఎట్లా ఉండాలి అమ్మాయిలు అంటే అసలు హౌ గర్ల్స్ షుడ్ బి రీడింగ్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ అపియరింగ్ ఫర్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ గెటింగ్ ద జాబ్ ఫస్ట్ 2 months salary saving immediately after 6 months buying the car small car going in office keeping laptop in the backside snacks backside music on going to the car dropping in the parking 6 o'clock completing job again music on coming to home somebody will be there to prepare the food for you sleeping next day morning that is a life not reading not doing anything doing house related works very difficult try to be like prepare well మీకే చెప్పేది గర్ల్స్కే మీరు సీరియస్గా చూడకండి మీరందరూ ఇట్లా చేయాలి మీరంతా యూ నీడ్ టు డూ ఇట్ యూ హౌ టు యూ డూ ఇట్ ఉందా ప్లాన్ ఉందా ప్లాన్ ఈస్ దేర్ థింకింగ్ అసలు చేద్దామా లేదా అని మనకి ఎందుకు సార్ అవన్నీ కార్ నడపడం ట్రాఫిక్ ఎందుకు ఇవన్నీ ఓకే అమ్మా రైట్ పవన్ సూపర్ సార్ ఓకే Because these days, girls should grow up like anything. They need to do well. That's what I'm saying. అందుకని నేను గర్ల్స్ని ఎప్పుడు ఏం అన్నాను అసలు. ఈవెన్ దో దే డోంట్ ఆన్సర్ ఆల్సో ఐ డోంట్ సే ఎనీథింగ్ because they will realize sorry saying for us only we need to do but boys I need to tell daily I will shout on you. Why? Well, one day shouting is not at all touching to your heart, but girls once if I say they will change. I have strong feeling about it. Anyhow students, do it more and more. Tomorrow don't make I'll introduce polymorphism. Thank you. Carry on. Students in online, you hold on if any doubts are there. Online students, any more doubts? Any more doubts here? Okay. So, okay, students, I no more doubts are there. No more hand raising symbols. I will up